Right now, I'm using the Google Chrome extension with HubSpot to go through and do some follow-ups on a campaign that we ran. And one thing that I ran into that I'm sure a lot of people do is I was writing this email out and I was using the same copy essentially for the next one and the next one. So creating a template would be really nice. One thing that I really love is with the extension, it's super easy to do that. So I want to show you this quick tip. Once you write out this email, as you can see up at the top here, I've got my extension options up here. So I'll click on templates. I don't have a template for this webinar follow-up yet, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit create. So once this pops up, this is what you would get inside of HubSpot if you were going to create a new template. So I went ahead and copied the email copy from what I wrote over in Gmail. So I'm going to put that here. I'm going to put the name, subject line. Let's just do something fast here. You can go ahead and select if you want to share it with everyone or have it for yourself and put it into a folder if you want. You still have all of the power of HubSpot right here inside of this window. I can add personalization tokens, insert certain things like snippets and documents. And then I'm going to go ahead and save this. So now next time when I'm up to the next person I'm going to send this email to, I can separate, click templates, type in webinar, and there is the one that I just created. It's going to go ahead and populate. And now I'm on my way.